I want to find the least common denominator or the LCD of these two fractions. I already factored everything. Everything is in factor form. So what I want to do is I want to play like a little matching game. I'm going to match up things in the first one, the first fraction, with things in the second one. And once I match it up, I'm going to write it one time in my LCD. So here I'm going to start with an x plus 2. Even though I have a 2, I'm going to try to match up the x plus 2 first. So I match x plus 2 with another x plus 2. That's in the second one. So I'm going to write it one time in my LCD. Okay, so now I go to x minus 2. See if I can match that up. So I have an x minus 2 here and an x minus 2 in my first one. So they have that in common. So I'm going to write that one time in my LCD. I have an x plus 3 in my first one, and I'm going to match it up with the one that's in my second one. I write that in my LCD. And the thing about LCD, you want to take what's common and write that one time, and anything that's not common, that doesn't have a partner or something to match up with, you want to also include that in your LCD. So here I have a 2, but it doesn't have a 2 in the second one, but I need to include it in my LCD. So I'm going to write 2 for my LCD. I'm going to write 2 in the front, because I like to write numbers in the front of the parentheses. And then when I go back, I have an x minus 2 that didn't match up with the x minus 2 in the first one. And I did have one x minus 2 that did match up in the first one, but then I have an extra one in the second one, and that x minus 2 needs to be included in your LCD, so I tack that on at the end. And so now this will be my LCD: 2 times the quantity of x plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 3, x minus 2. So everything that's common and everything that's not common is in my LCD, and that's all she wrote. 1.